compared to low production efficiency and high labor cost for nonwoven bags. OYANG 18 one-time foaming 3-dimensional bag-making machine can solve all these problems. Hello, this is Carrie from OYANG Machinery. This machine stably produces 80 to 90 pieces per minute, with a daily production capacity of nearly 100,000 pieces.
The whole machine has a footprint of only 70 square meters, enabling high output even in a small factory. It is equipped with automatic handle centering. The unique indirect gluing saves 5 cents per bag. It can produce nonwoven or laminated nonwoven bags. The mold change time only takes 30 minutes, which is suitable for large and small orders. Equipped with Huichuan intelligent system, the parameters can be stored and force can be automatically alerted. Additional accessories can be installed, such as buttons, velcro, and label stickers.
OYANG 18 high productivity in a small space, support full-size production requirements, covering installation bags, supermarket shopping bags, advertising bags, and so on. Support your finished bag-making task efficiently.